Good morning, Ma'am Ernie. This is the welding center area. That building is for welding center, and this area for preparation. Also, we have load unload container over there. This building is 12 times 8. And then we are planning to put the cutting table along this area over here. And then we want to put the welding machine and the grinder over there. We choose the corner. And then the stock, rack of stock over here. We have a small office over there, and then we will build the hanger from the top.